Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge. Today, we're talking about 5 stocks to buy for long-term growth. These are the stocks you want in your portfolio if you're looking to build wealth over time. We're diving deep into their fundamentals, looking at technical indicators, and I'll give you my honest opinion on why these picks have the potential to outperform the market in the long run. And don't forget, there's a special surprise worth rupees 21,000 for those who watch till the end. Let's dive in. First up, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited or BHEL, trading at 304 rupees and 85 paise with a 2.35% increase. BHEL is a key player in India's power sector and it's showing strong signs of growth. Now you might be thinking, power sector, isn't that a little old school? And yeah, maybe it's not as flashy as the latest tech IPO, but that's where the opportunity lies. Check out this cup and handle pattern. This bullish signal suggests that BHEL is gearing up for a strong upward move, making it a solid pick for long-term growth. BHEL has a strong order book, indicating a healthy demand for their products and services. Plus, with India's focus on infrastructure development and renewable energy, BHEL is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. They're not just building traditional power plants, they're also involved in solar, wind, and even nuclear projects. This diversification is key for long-term stability and growth. BHEL is trading at a price-to-earnings ratio significantly lower than its peers. This suggests that the stock is undervalued by the market, giving us a potential opportunity to buy low and sell high later on. BHEL's management is committed to innovation, efficiency, and delivering value to shareholders. They've been around for decades, they've weathered economic storms, and they've always come out stronger. So, if you're looking for a stock with strong fundamentals, a promising technical setup, and the potential to deliver solid returns over time, BHEL is definitely worth considering. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Do your own research, dig into the company's financials, and see if it aligns with your investment goals. Next, we have Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, trading at 588 rupees and 60 paise with a 0.87% increase. REC Ltd is vital in financing India's power infrastructure, especially in rural areas. Now, this is where things get really interesting. We're talking about a company that's not just profitable, it's also making a real difference in people's lives. They're bringing electricity to parts of India that have never had it before, and that's a powerful thing. The cup and handle pattern here also hints at potential growth, making REC Ltd a stock to hold on to for the long term. REC Ltd has a near monopoly in its sector. They are the primary source of financing for rural electrification projects, and that gives them incredible pricing power and a very stable revenue stream. As India continues to grow and develop, the demand for electricity is only going to go up, and REC Ltd is going to be there to meet that demand. They're a dividend-paying machine. They've consistently paid out dividends for years, and their dividend yield is well above the market average. So, not only are you getting potential capital appreciation from the stock price going up, but you're also getting paid just to hold on to it. REC Ltd is not standing still. They're evolving. They're adapting. They're now financing projects in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and even transmission infrastructure. So, if you're looking for a stock that combines financial strength, social impact, and consistent dividend payments, REC Ltd is definitely worth your attention. It's the kind of company you can feel good about investing in, knowing that your money is not only working for you, but also making a positive impact on the world. Moving on, ITC Limited, trading at rupees 495 and 95 paise with a slight 0.24% rise, is another stock I'm bullish on. ITC has a diversified business model, including FMCG, hotels, and more. Now, you've probably heard of ITC, even if you don't realize it. They're behind some of India's most iconic brands, from cigarettes to biscuits, from hotels to personal care products. They're everywhere, and that kind of market penetration is invaluable. ITC's consistent performance and strong market presence make it a reliable long-term investment. The fundamentals are solid and the technicals are pointing towards steady growth. But here's the thing that really excites me about ITC. They're in the midst of a massive transformation. They're shifting their focus away from their traditional tobacco business and investing heavily in FMCG, agriculture, and other fast-growing sectors. They're essentially reinventing themselves for the 21st century, and that takes guts. They're leveraging their existing distribution network, their brand recognition, and their deep understanding of the Indian consumer to gain market share in these new sectors. ITC is a dividend aristocrat, meaning they've increased their dividend payouts for 25 consecutive years or more. So, if you're looking for a stock that offers a mix of stability, growth, and income, ITC is definitely worth considering. They're a true blue-chip company with a long and storied history, and I believe they're well-positioned for continued success in the years to come. Make sure to do your own research and consider these stocks for your portfolio. Next is Tata Consultancy Services, trading at rupees 4,237 and 95 paise with a 1.57% increase. TCS is a global leader in IT services. This is the kind of company that makes India proud. They're competing with the best in the world and they're winning. They're helping businesses around the globe to digitally transform, to become more efficient, to become more profitable. And as the world becomes increasingly reliant on technology, TCS is only going to become more valuable. TCS's strong financials and the emerging cup and handle pattern suggest that this stock is poised for continued growth, making it a must-have for long-term investors. They have a massive global footprint. They operate in over 40 countries, serving clients in a wide range of industries. This diversification is key for mitigating risk and ensuring stable growth, no matter what's happening in any one particular market. TCS is constantly innovating, investing in new technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. They're staying ahead of the curve, and that's what sets them apart from their competitors. TCS is another dividend-paying powerhouse. So, if you're looking for a tech stock that offers a blend of growth, income, and global diversification, TCS is definitely worth a closer look. They're a true Indian success story, and I believe they have a bright future ahead of them. Finally, Petronet LNG Limited, trading at rupees 365 with a 0.27% rise, rounds out our list. Petronet is crucial to India's energy sector, especially in LNG imports. Now we're moving into the world of energy, a sector that's always in demand, no matter what's happening in the global economy. And Petronet is at the forefront of India's energy revolution. They're the country's largest importer of liquefied natural gas, or LNG, a cleaner and more efficient alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Petronet is a classic picks and shovels play. They're not exploring for gas, they're not drilling for gas, they're providing the infrastructure to transport and store the gas. They're like the toll booth on the LNG highway. No matter who's producing the gas or who's consuming the gas, Petronet gets their cut. As India transitions towards cleaner sources of energy, the demand for LNG is only going to go up. Petronet is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. They're expanding their capacity, they're building new terminals, they're securing long-term contracts. Petronet has a very stable business model. So if you're looking for an energy stock that offers a blend of stability, growth, and income, Petronet LNG is definitely worth considering. They're a well-managed company with a bright future, and I believe they have the potential to deliver solid returns for long-term investors. Remember, if you've watched this far, you're eligible for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Just subscribe, send a screenshot to WhatsApp at 911-3211787 and you'll receive 5 financial calculators free. Plus, our How to Automate Trades course, usually priced at rupees 7,000, is available for only rupees 99. Check the link in the description. So there you have it. These are the 5 stocks I recommend for long-term growth. Each of these stocks has strong fundamentals, promising technical patterns like the cup and handle, and the potential to deliver solid returns over time. Make sure to do your own research and consider these stocks for your portfolio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Comment below your thoughts on these stocks and any other picks you have. See you in the next video.